Here is a system for control lights, background for display. Here is in standby. If I push a button, that is power on at the maximum, waiting time to control some with the controller, Arduino. After that, slow decrease to minimum. See, 7 seconds. Now, if I push when lights is degree to minimum, is maximum. Now is at minimum.